So here we've got a Pinbot, which is a System 11B MPU. So with this one, we went ahead and resocketed both 6802s, both of the game ROMs, both of the sound ROMs here, installed NVRAM, replaced all three of the 100 UF capacitors, the 22 UF here in the reset, and then also the 210 UF here in the sound section. Replace the power input header. The soundboard here went ahead and replaced. We had 5 10 UF capacitors, 2 100 UF, 2 1000s, and 2 470s. Went ahead and resocketed, let's see, U9, U4, and the 6809 as well. I'm not sure what number that is. And then over here on the power supply, we had a bad bridge rectifier. Went ahead and replaced that. Went ahead and replaced all the 0.156 headers, the 47 microfarad capacitor, the 100 UF, and then also the 330 UF here as well. Then we also had a little bit of a hack here on the resistor, so I went ahead and replaced that, as well as the 5-volt filter we swapped out with the 15K. So we will go ahead and get that thing powered up. Sorry, I had a board fall down at my feet. And so we've got all of the lamps dancing. The visors try to do something here with that, so go ahead and get this thing going. And we have no sounds because I didn't connect the power to the soundboard here. Alright, let's try that again. So like I said, I've got NVRAM installed on here, so I've already got it set to free play. And my heater kicked on here, so I'll turn it up a little bit. So all of the music's working. Go into display test here. The sounds are working. Move into all of the lamps and single lamps. Alright. Then it'll test both the A side and the C side. Into the special solenoids, which are also switch controlled here. And as you can see, all those are working. And switch edges, swap that through diagonally. I'll do that one over. And the last switch. Switch 60 in Pinbot. So there we are. And like I said, I've already got this thing set up for free play, so all three of the boards are ready to go. Thank you so much for sending them.